Guys, welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. We're on the kitchen table again, guys, today. Today I feel for some quiche. I'm gonna make some spinach and cheddar cheese quiche today. Might put a little bit of mozzarella inside also. So it's a pretty simple thing, recipe. Only doing a cup and quarter flour here. I'm just gonna get the rest of the stuff together. I'm gonna get you guys to make this quiche with me. Okay guys, so let's get this going. I got a quarter of a teaspoon of salt going inside the flour. And the flour is just 1 cup and a quarter inside here. So I'm just doing a small quiche. And then I got half a teaspoon of sugar. And then I got a half a cup of very cold butter right here going inside the flour. We're just gonna mix that right in. Just gonna cut the butter right inside. Quiche is easy, guys. You guys cooking on the table today. Then I'm gonna use a quarter cup of ice cold water, guys. Ice cold water going in. So guys, you can just use a wooden spoon and just fold that right in. Alright, and this is your pie crust. It's all ready. Alright, I'm just gonna wrap it in some plastic and put it in the fridge for about half an hour because I want to get my quiche going. So, you know, hungry guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I take this out of the fridge and just put some flour on my board right here. Just gonna start roll this out, a rolling pin. Well, you guys can use whatever you have to roll it out. Nice clean bottle or something. It will work. And this crust, you can use it to make your whatever pie you want to make. I'm just using this for quiche today. You can make an apple pie or blueberry pie, strawberry pie. Looking good, guys. It's looking good. Okay guys, so we're just gonna cut off the excess. Cut off what we don't need right here. All the extra pieces. Just get a knife and cut it right around. Look how easy it is, guys. So easy. You can use your knife and make some little marks on it. You know, look pretty. Guys, everyone eat with their eyes. I'm sure you guys eat with your eyes too. Once it look good, I will eat it. But it gotta taste good too. just put little marks in it, go right around like that, guys. There you go. All right, so we're gonna get all the filling together to go into this, and then we're gonna start baking. So I'm making the filling right now. I got some onions right here. This is just a half of really small honey I'm using. Get some flavor in your quiche. Put that right in a bowl here, guys. You can use whatever vegetables you got in your fridge, guys, to make this quiche. You can use broccoli. Whatever vegetables you have, you can chop it up and throw it in. I'm just using spinach today. And I also have some tomatoes in my fridge, some leftover tomatoes. I made burgers yesterday, so I got some tomatoes cut up. I'm using that also. Sorry you guys didn't get to dig in with my burger, but next time. Just gonna dice up these tomatoes right here. They're gonna go right in. Put that right back in this bowl here. So if you never tried a quiche, guys, now you got the recipe you can try. Put it on your kitchen table. Alright, so that's all my stuff chopped up. I'm gonna get the pot ready and I'll show you guys what's going on. So the pot is getting hot, guys. Just chop the spinach up. It's baby spinach and it's already washed and nice and clean. You guys cooking with me. Let's get this right in the bowl. This is how we do it. Yep, so I got my spinach there, got my tomatoes and onions right here. All ready to go, guys. We're gonna get it in the pot. Okay, guys, let's get the onion inside the pot here. Nice and hot. You guys see what's going on right over here. Just saute these a little bit, get some flavor out of it, guys. Flavor has to be up. Up, up, up. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add the tomatoes right inside as soon as these cooked a little bit. Just like that. Cook some of the water out of the tomato. Let's flip it, guys. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper in this. No salt because I'm going to put salt inside the eggs. Alright, so guys, that's done. We're going to get the eggs started. Okay guys, I got 5 eggs in this bowl right here. Whisk this together. We're going to get the filling going in right now. Whisk that. I got a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I got a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of salt going inside. Mix that right in with your eggs. Then I got 1 1/4 cup of 5% cream I use. You guys can use milk. 2% can work. All right. Nice. That's looking good. All right, guys, so we're gonna get tomatoes right inside here. All right. We got the spinach gonna go right in as well. And I got some cheddar cheese. I'm just putting a handful right inside. Just a handful. Gonna mix it in. Mix that right in. I didn't use too much salt, guys, because you know the cheese has salt, so you gotta watch the salt. Watch the salt, guys. That's looking good already. You guys cook with me. I wish you guys could eat with me too. Guys, this week got some really good stuff coming up, guys. Really good stuff on the menu this week. Okay, we're gonna get it right inside the crust right now. Let's pour it all out. See, it works. All right. Alright, and I forget to show you guys, you gotta use your fork and poke the bottom of the crust so it cooks properly. Alright guys, so this is it. We're gonna get it in the oven. After it baked, we're gonna take it out and you guys gonna eat with me, alright? So let's get it in the oven. Okay guys, the quiche is out the oven. It's really hot right now, but I'm just gonna let it cool down a little bit. I'm gonna get a knife and we're gonna cut into it. So you guys grab your plate because we're gonna eat, alright? Okay guys, I'm gonna try a piece of this quiche right now. Wow, it's hot. Wow, that's looking good, guys. Take a look at it. Perfect. Came out so good. Look at that. Get in the plate, guys, because I'm gonna dig in right now. Wow. Flavor is up. Guys, the flavor is up again. I always say flavor up, it's up. Trust me. You guys try this out at home. Alright? And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks again for the 100 subscribers. You guys keep on sharing. Like the video. And I'll see you in the next one.